Hello ladies and gentlemen, and what's going on? So in this one we are going to talk about arrays. Okay, so what are basically arrays? Arrays is just a variable, okay, a special kind of variable that lets you store multiple data inside it. Okay, so why basically use arrays? Because when you have like a big list of 300, let's say 300 users, you don't want to to go user 1 and then user 2, user 3 till you get like the number you want. It might be 300, 500, or whatever you call it, maybe thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands. You don't want to go through all over this and just write this big code. You only have to use an array. An array can hold a lot of values, as many as you want, just by just under one name. Okay, so this is basically why I use arrays. So let me show you how to basically create an array. There are three types of arrays. Let's get to that first. The indexed, and the associative, and the multi-dimensional array. Okay, so these basically are the three types of arrays in PHP. So let me create an array, just an example. Let's call it users, like that, and the equal sign, basically like creating a variable. But instead of actually writing the actual value itself, we can go like this, array, and then our parentheses, and now we can put our values in there. Let me say this is Jane, Ahmad, Raj, and Jack. Okay, just like that. And of course they can be any data types, they can be numbers, you set them as you want. Okay, now I created this array, but what if I want to access its values? It's really easy. All you have to do is to type the name of your array and you go like this, and you choose here, you choose basically the number of the value you want. And arrays start with 0. Okay, this might sound a little weird, but in programming they start with a 0. Okay, let me echo this out, and this will give us the access of this one right there. So this will be 0, this will be 1, 2, and 3. If we save this and go back to our browser, okay, and just there you go, here's our value right in there. Okay, and if you, of course, if we need to access Muhammad, let me save it and then go back, and there you go. This is the most basic way of creating arrays. Okay, and there is a second form for this. If you want to create arrays, we can just remove this and go to this sign right here. Well, not like that, sorry. Okay, just change this like that, and it will be definitely the same thing. There you go. So this is basically what indexed arrays are. This is basically what arrays are. You can change this, tweak it a little bit, as you want it to be. And let me show you just a simple method for counting the number of values inside an array, which is the method count, and this will count out the users, the values in the array users. Okay, write the method and you write its parameter, which now with the array users. Okay, if we save this, and let me first comment this and refresh, and now therefore right there. Okay, so it gives us the number of values inside this array right there. So this is basically it for indexed arrays, and yeah, keep going.